Blockchain-enabled Waste Resource Transaction System (BWRTS) version 1.0.0. The objectives of this system are to record transaction of plastic waste resources between source, segregation unit, and recycling industries publicly, permanently, and immutably, enhancing transparency and trust in the data provided that will be used in the calculation of circularity metric. This metric will help us to achieve circularity over current linear trend in economy. In current scenario, 100% waste is being dumped into the landfills. During initial stages of this implementation, we will be focusing on recycling the maximum waste generated in our ecosystem by implementing BWRTS. In later stages, blockchain, smart contracts, Internet of Things, and artificial intelligence will be used to automate the segregation process, and then introducing the Art and Craft Club for reusing and repurposing of the waste generated inside the campus. This is the basic model that we'll be implementing in our college. The plastic collected from the source is transported to the segregation unit. The segregation unit will then segregate the waste, plastic waste, from other waste, which again will be transported to the recycler plant. The revenue generated from the recycler plant will be used for this transportation purpose itself. The sources of waste in our ecosystem include canteen, coffee shop, hostel, and campus itself. To tackle problems with the sources for getting reliable data, we are digitizing the canteen. We will be providing a web app which will be used to issue digital tokens according to which orders will be managed at the canteen. Also, canteen will input the invoices of their items in the inventory. This will help us to get reliable data. To deal with data reliability of other sources such as hostels and campus, we have thought of a plan. We are planning to provide a web app portal to buy daily use products to the hostelers from local vendors at some minimal discount, provided that all items will be bought from that vendor only. Thus, we will be using lower the price to increase the customer strategy for effective implementation. This is the blockchain butterfly architecture that we have designed to implement in BWRTS system, where each node will be bounded via smart contract. Following are the system parameters that will be used in designing the smart contract. The revenue generated should be used to cover the digitization expense of a canteen and coffee shop at first. Later, all the revenue generated can be used for proper implementation and further development of this system. In above equation, rates for transportation is approximated to R, which is rate of just one kind of truck. Subsequently, on scaling at a larger scale, the rates will depend on the capacity and category of the vehicle being used.